Welcome to the Star Blanket Crochet Along. The introduction has now been released and you will find it on the website haaksteek.nl. This is a re-release of a crochet along that was made in 2017. The designer is celebrating a large number of members on her Facebook group and so is relaunching this as a special celebration crochet along. Written information will be found on that website and there will also be video tutorials available. Now it is time for you to make a decision. What size of project do you want to make? There are some options included in the written pattern for a twin size, and the amounts and colors of yarns are given as well in the introduction. Or you can make a throw or blanket size. Or perhaps you like a baby blanket. For those who are ambitious, there's also a large or full size, or you can make your own design. This is my choice, I think, to make a throw. What yarn are you going to pick? The designer used worsted weight, so I'm doing sort of a stash busting of various similar sized in the colors of a favorite hockey team. Can't wait to see you and make this along with you.